Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Did you know that wearing compression socks can help you with leg pain or fatigue? If you're on your feet all of the time, or if you have a problem with swelling in the bottom of your leg or foot or ankle, maybe you should give compression socks a try. So this is a set of compression socks and they're from FITRELL. I love the fact that they come in a variety of fun colors and they're very, very soft. I've also noticed that the opening is wider at the top, so you have that compression down here that gives you that comforting feeling, and it goes up a little more intense here at the part of your calf above the ankle, and then it widens out and lessens, so you're not going to get a really tight squeezing sensation at the top of your leg. I would call these light to medium compression, so comfortable to wear all day long. They're not too thick, so they fit comfortably in your sneakers or your shoes. And I also appreciate that the toe area does not have any compression right at the end. So my toes are not being squeezed by the sock. I'm able to freely move them around, and that is more comfortable for me. So if you're looking for a set of compression socks that are soft and breathable, that give you a steady amount of compression that's not too tight and has a comfortable wider opening at the top so that you're not going to get a squeezing sensation towards your knee, then you definitely want to try these socks from FITRELL. And that is my point of view.